steamy windows. Say roll visibility, steamy windows, coming from the body heat. You can wine and dine with a woman all night with good intent. Oh yeah. But there's something about a confrontation on a back road breaks down the defense. Steamy windows, zero visibility. Steamy windows, coming from the body heat. There's a sound outside the front door, and I know it's just the wind, but it makes us snuggle up just a little bit closer. It starts things happening again. Oh yeah. Steamy windows, and nobody can see. Steamy windows, coming from the body heat. Steamy windows, zero visibility. Steamy windows, coming from the body heat. Steamy windows, steamy windows. Gumbo John was a swamper. He had a small cafe, little old shack just outside of Baton Rouge. Everybody around said you had it made if you were looking for the right kind of food. You just kick back and let the evening come, out on the back porch at Gumbo John's. Me and the boys and the band were needing a break. We were covered with road dust and the homesick blues. So we decided to stop and spend a few days, peel a few crawdads and check out the brew. Southern culture on the skid, but it sure is fun. Out on the back porch at Gumbo John's. stream. He said, boys, he's a friend of mine, but he's still real mean. He said, you know, I used to play the guitar myself. He held up his hand, just had 2 fingers left. It was feeding time one evening and he'd had a few beers. Guess he got just a little too close, caught one chomp, and old Clyde ended his musical career. But he could still rap back and sing that Jolly Blonde out on the back porch, Gumbo John. Oh, you just kick back and let the evening come. Out on the back porch, Gumbo John's. Gumbo John. Underwater ride. Met a pretty girl who really turned me on, but we didn't make it very far. It's hard to make love to a lady when she munching on a candy bar. And I couldn't help but say, ain't no time for Milky Way. And she goes, I get all for it, I get all for it. Just a little slack, can't you see I'm into snacks? I get all for it. There was a pretty thing in Los Angeles, but she was a man in women's clothes. I told him he was dressing kind of dangerous, 'cause how's a fool like me gonna know? And I couldn't help but say, why you wanna dress that way? And he goes, I get off, I get off for it. Ain't no sweat off your nose, I just dig them ladies' clothes. I get off for it. Good old boy, he met a girl and liked her, but she didn't know what he was all about. 'Cause when he filled his lip with tobacco, well, don't you know, it nearly grossed her out. And she couldn't help but say, why you wanna do that way? And he goes, I get all for it, I get all for it. To make you flip, but don't be messing with my dip. I get off on it. There's a dude up in New York City. He wears nothing but a raincoat and he walks around. He comes upon a lady looking pretty, and he gives her just a glimpse from the waist down. And she couldn't help but say, why you wanna act that way? He goes, I get off on it. I get off on it. I don't mean to bring you down, but I just got to flash around. There was a girl I had a lot of fun with, till she asked me to her house one night. And when she told me she was into bondage, but don't you know, it nearly blew my mind. And I couldn't help but say, why you wanna do that way? She goes, I get off on it. I get off on it. Can't you see I'm in the pain? Please let me do my thing. Yeah, I'll get off on it. Like a downer, Tuesday looked like rain, a bad altitude, and I knew I needed a change. Head out on the highway, cruising way down south. Knew a little place where I might could work it all out. I'm so tired of fighting with myself. Gonna spend a little time at the Tunica Motel. Just outside of Memphis, Highway 61, sleepy little town down by the Mississippi River. I'm gonna lay out on a houseboat until my hide turned brown. I ain't gonna move till the evening sun goes down. Fried chicken to go when they got live bait for sale. Anything you need at the Tunica Motel. I find myself at midnight, moving to the back porch blues. The guitar cries, telling me about the hard times. Something moves in the shadows, giving me a little chill. I thought I saw Robert Johnson walking out across the field. There ain't hardly anybody left who even knows the tale. Give me the blues at the Tunica Motel.